Hey guys, hope everyone's doing well. We're just hanging out today, not really doing a whole lot, but I'm gonna go outside here real fast and creep up on the missus and see how she's doing.
You talking to me?
Hey hon, what you doing? Are you talking to me? She heard me in there talking to the camera, and now she's like, who are you talking to?
Well, I thought you're telling me something.
No. What you doing, babe? You're hanging some Christmas tree lights in the Kubo?
Yeah.
Are you gonna make us a Christmas Kubo today?
Yeah.
Look at this. She ran over to CSI about an hour ago.
Not even an hour.
Not even an hour ago. Okay, correct me. To buy some Christmas lights. I was like, no, we don't need that. Electric bill's already high enough as it is. No, I don't care about that. But well, I do, but I don't. Not for this kind of stuff.
This is not
What's
so.
Christmas tree lights? What are we gonna do? Turn them on about 6 o'clock?
Yeah, when
6 p.m.?
it turns dark.
That's about 5 or 6. And then we'll turn them off around, what, 9? When we go to bed? Or are we going to keep them on all night?
No, just do it at 9.
When we start
When
taking showers and getting ready to head inside and all that?
when I bring the two knuckleheads in the bed.
Yeah, the two knuckleheads, which are where? They're over here somewhere. Where are you? There's number 1.
The other one is there.
There's number 1. Where's number 2? Oh, number 2's over there in the corner. All right, she's spying on the neighbors. So which one's your newest plant? That's a nice one. The orchid, that's a big sucker too. That's a beauty. So yep, this is our Kubo once again.
So messy because they chase each other again.
Yeah, trash in the Kubo. We got to get out here and wipe this sucker down, huh? Let's see what else we got. I can't get back there. Oh wait, the dog's pooping back here at all? I hope not.
No, I cleaned already.
Oh, so they did, and you got the little garden table going on here, plant table, which the table itself is getting pretty weathered. We gotta so we gotta put a finish on that. Some luster. Here's the back of the Kubo. Now let's take a walk around here. Not much space to walk back here. And then what we got this is a palm tree right in front of me, I believe. Yeah. So this is her little collection of orchids.
My
Dendrobians.
This one.
Oh, nice. I never get back here to look at your stuff.
Be careful. I have one.
Uh oh.
Here.
Okay. Hold on.
It's flowering.
Blooming.
Flowering. This one is
okay.
Phalaenopsis, both of them. And this is the one that I'm trying to save.
Okay.
It's
This one got.
Vanda. Yeah, Vanda.
Those are expensive.
700 plus.
Nah, I thought we paid more than that.
No, 700.
From who?
From Page Garden. This is the expensive one.
Okay.
It's the expensive one. The wrinkle.
Yeah. I know.
1,200.
Yeah, a couple of these we paid quite a bit for.
This one.
Now these are the ones that are in from Thailand, I think, right?
Yeah.
These are from Thai.
Yeah,
All of them?
Thailand,
Yeah, I really do like these.
yeah. And then this one, the wrinkle, the one that you choose, 1,200 each.
Yeah.
So
A lot of investment here, but hey,
I
I think it's worth it. We got to we got to trim up this guava tree. Look, we got the branch
going
that's
down.
kind of hanging over the wires and stuff. I'm a little hesitant to get up there and start chopping away at this branch because we got Pinelco wires crossing through here. I know I don't think they would leave live wires exposed, but I'm still so paranoid when it comes to that kind of stuff. I'm gonna wait for an all-day brownout, which will happen, you know, eventually. And then when it does, I'm gonna get up there and cut those branches down, because basically what's happening is the weight of this this entire branch is pulling this stump, is pulling the base of the tree down.
Because there's not
And
near the road, it's not that
Right.
strong already.
right, because whatever termites or whatever have been chewing away down there. So it's kind of weak. As you can see, I put a ratchet strap around this sucker just to kind of hold it. And then I know it doesn't look good, but until I can get that, until I can get this limb, this branch cut up to take away some of the weight that's pulling on this tree trunk. So anyways, that's about it. It's just kind of a slow Friday. Actually, today's Black Friday, day after Thanksgiving. But of course, we're not partaking in that.
Shopping time.
Yeah. We're just gonna kind of hang out here and do some domestic stuff. Right, hon?
Yep.
Okay.
This is my Christmas decor. As I'm the only one doing it.
Yeah.
This is wife job. So.
Yeah. All I do is come out here and get in the way, right? No, I know. I'm just kidding.
Then get lost.
Then get lost. Okay, that won't be hard for me to do.
I'm just kidding.
I know you are. Yeah. Beautiful Kubo. All right, guys. That's about it. We're just gonna do this, and I'll sit out here and bug her while she does the Christmas tree lights. Actually, maybe I'll just leave her alone and then come out and see the end, the finished product. So.
You can just check it later when things start.
Okay, good looking. Say goodbye. All right. Talk to you later, guys. Have a nice day. Have a nice night, morning, whatever, wherever you are. Take care, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.